You have a data set and you want to extract something quickly from the any columns. Like suppose you have data set, order ID, order date, shipment date, more customer ID, customer name, many columns and rows. And then how we can extract something like this. Suppose we have order ID and we want to extract some of the information from that column. Then from order ID, how we can get the numeric, and we have name, customer name, then how we can make it the email of bunch of the customer names in very quick. You can see here we have 793 customer names in that data set, and how we can get quickly the email ID of that, including first name and last name. So let's start with the Excel. I have here a sample data set, and from here you can see there are lots of columns and rows in this data set. From here I just go to move to the sheet 1, and I just want to extract the order ID, customer ID, and customer name from that data set. Before doing, I just go to create the table of this whole data set to just pressing the Control T from the keyboard. You can see it is selecting whole data set. Just I go to remove the first row from this. So I just go to take the data from row 2 and then I click OK. So you can see that table 3. You can rename it also. You can say that data 1, and now we have created the table from here. Now we will move to sheet 1, and then I have to get the order ID from there. So just go to this cell and we will use formula for this order ID, just equal to, we have to go to type the table name data 1 and then hit the tab key to get that. And then I just go to extract the column order ID. So just go to a square bracket, start this, and if you'll see all the column name are coming with a drop down option, you will go to choose that order, or you can write order ID. You can see order ID is coming here. Just hit the tab key to get this and close the square bracket and hit enter. You can see all the order ID extracted from that table. What we will do here, you can see there are order ID with the duplicates. Okay, same order ID multiple times. Maybe here also you can see that there are some order IDs has some duplicates. Even you can check it also if you go to here condition and you can highlight the cell to get the duplicates. And you can see there are many duplicates entries there. But this is not what we have to do here. Just I'm going to cancel this one and I'll just go to edit the formula here. Before this order, getting all the order ID, I just go to get the unique number. I just write unique, and then I just get go to choose the unique, hit the tab key to get unique, and then you can see the start bracket, close this bracket, and hit enter. You can see that. Just go to Control Shift and down arrow key. You can find that 5009, the unique order ID. Once you will move to the order, you can see that order ID is this one. If you see, check the how many entries are there. You can see there are 9,994 order IDs. There are the unique IDs are less than that. So now we got that order ID. Now I'll go to get the customer ID. So again, go to the cell and we will use the formula equals to unique, and then data or table will be the same, data1, and then we will use the square bracket, and here you can say customer ID, and then close this square bracket and close round bracket also, and then click enter. Here we got that customer ID also, and the customer name also. You can go to get that customer name. Unique again, data1, then we go to use that customer name, and one more time we have to close the bracket and enter. So now we have customer ID, order ID, customer names we extracted here. Now the magic thing will be start now. Just we go to insert one column here, and what we have to do, just going to extract from order ID what is the year of the order from here. Just go to write 2016. Okay, the year is here in the middle of that both side. So if you click press enter, okay, I go move to the next cell, and then again you have to type this one. You can see there it's automatic, it's coming the flash fill option. If you click enter, you can see it's all the cells 900 something, okay, or more than 1000 it was. Yeah, all the cells extracted the year from it. Isn't it magic or quick? You go to the customer ID, just go to insert another column, and here I just want this time to get the numeric value from the customer ID. So I can go to write that. It will go to type 2 3 cells value, and automatically Excel is going to sense that one and then giving the next option 13045, and if you want to type one more 2335, you can see here it's not coming the same. So what I will do, we will go to the data this time, and then you can go to data tools, and then you can see here flash fill option. From here just we can go to click this flash fill, and here we go. You can see here also it's extracted all the numeric value from it. So either we can go with the auto flash fill automatically once it's pop up, then we can use that one. If not, then we can use it from data tools flash fill. And the last one, I'm just going to have the customer name, and I'm just trying to get the email ID from the customer name. First name, first letter of the from the first name, and including last name with the email ID. I have to make email ID of the thousands of customers. Okay, so how quickly we can do it? Just let's start that. You can see that email ID, and then you have to write the get the first name at ibulearning.com and click the enter. Again, you have to do it for one more. You can see once you click, and it's automatically pop out all the thousands of customer names with the email ID. Once you click enter, you can get it. You can do this way also. Once you click here, if it is not popping out from here, you can again go to data tab and then data tools, and again you can flash fill, use the flash fill, and you can get it. You can see that there are more than 1,000 entries. Please subscribe the channel and share with others. Thank you.